In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add slide-in animations on your Squarespace website. So what do I specifically mean when I mean slide-on animations on Squarespace? So let's just refresh this site. As you can see, when we go down here and we load in the site, you see that there are some animations when the blocks and images get loaded in. And on Squarespace, we do have the possibility to do that. Some of the templates on Squarespace do have some built in. But for example, if you're starting from scratch or something like that, they may not be added on as you want. If you want to add animation sliders on the Squarespace website, what we need to do is click on Site Styles, come all the way down to Miscellaneous, click on that, and then we have the possibility to do animations. And as you can see, this website right here now currently has the clip. So let's just maybe try to do slide. And as you can see, now it slides up instead. We can also choose the speed of it, and you can see that now it uses a lot longer time to slide in. We have the possibility to do fade. So let's see what this is all about. You can see it fades into the view. Let's also do flex. Let's see what that does. You can see it flexes into the view as well. So that is essentially how you would add animations to your Squarespace website. You have the possibility to choose between fade, scale, slide, clip, and flex. That was just a very quick video on how you can add animations on Squarespace. If you find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.